Welcome to the overview of timesheet entry and processing using NXT Time. NXT Time is a payroll timesheet processing and allocation system designed specifically for Blackbaud's Financial Edge NXT. In the next few minutes, we will be reviewing timesheet entry, timesheet certification, and an integrated online communication center for employees and their supervisors. NXT Time provides a dynamic and user-friendly interface for capturing time worked. From the home page, click Manage Timesheets. This will open the timesheet interface. The timesheet processing page provides the employee with a list of open payroll periods. Selecting or changing the payroll period in the drop-down will render the employee timesheet. Within the timesheet grid, the employee can enter their daily time and enter specific work details in the notes area and also communicate electronically with their supervisor. The timesheet example on the screen is based on a user-defined template configured to track and allocate time by project. You may define and assign an unlimited number of timesheet templates to an employee. Timesheet templates can be configured to allocate time to any single or combination of general ledger account segments, transaction codes, or custom transaction fields from your Financial Edge NXT system. To allocate time worked for this pay period to the specific projects being worked on, simply select the project from the drop-down column. The list of available projects shown here come from your Financial Edge NXT project listing. The pay code selected will provide the rate and the general ledger allocation method for that specific row on the timesheet. This timesheet example has the employees splitting their time for this pay period between two different projects. Each day has a notes field that provides an area for the employee to record specific work details for each day. Navigating between different weeks within the pay period is easily accomplished by using the forward and backward icons or by selecting the week from the drop-down. The Message Center provides an integrated means for the employee to communicate with their supervisor. All communications are associated to the specific timesheet. Within the Message Center, you can review past messages or add a new message. In order to keep the back and forth communications organized, NXT Time keeps messages in a conversational layout. The employee can make a timesheet template their default timesheet. Default timesheet templates speed up data entry from pay period to pay period. Default timesheet templates are especially handy for employees who generally work in the same areas each pay period. The Timesheet Properties link provides the employee with summary information regarding the timesheet. They can view the total number of workdays in the pay period, the total number of hours required, and the remaining number of hours they need to log before certifying and submitting their timesheet to their supervisor for approval. Once an employee has logged all of their time for a pay period, the employee can certify their timesheet. The certification process in NXT Time changes the timesheet status to Submitted for Approval. This process records the date and time of certification and then submits the timesheet to the employee's supervisor for final approval. The certification process also validates the timesheet to ensure the required number of hours for the pay period have been accounted for. Once the timesheet has been certified, the employee's supervisor is notified. The timesheet is locked for further editing by the employee. The supervisor will then review and approve the timesheet. This concludes the NXT Time software timesheet overview. For more information, please reach out to a member of our NXT Time sales team.